In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your Google Chrome homepage to give it a more personal touch. Customizing your browser's start page can make it both visually appealing and functional, helping you kickstart your web browsing experience with ease. Let's explore how you can make these changes. Start by opening your Google Chrome browser. Now, once you've got your homepage visible, take a glance at the bottom right corner of the page. You should see a button that says Customize Chrome. Go ahead and give that a click. This is where the magic begins, providing you with an array of options to tailor your browsing setup. As you dive into the customization menu, the first thing you might want to adjust is the background image of your homepage. This is a fantastic way to add a splash of personal flair. You have a couple of options here. You can either upload your own image, which can be anything from a family photo to your favorite landscape, or select from a variety of pre-existing themes that Google provides. These themes range from serene sceneries to vibrant artwork, giving you plenty of choices to match your personality and mood. Next, let's talk about shortcuts. Shortcuts are links to your favorite websites that are displayed right on your homepage. They're excellent for quick and easy access to the sites you visit the most. You have the flexibility to set these up manually. Simply click Add Shortcut, type in the name and URL of the website you wish to add, and voila, it's there on your homepage. Alternatively, if you prefer a more effortless approach, you could let Chrome automate this process by displaying your most visited sites automatically. It's all about what suits your browsing style best. As you continue through the customization options, there's also the possibility to alter the overall color scheme and theme of your Chrome homepage. This feature not only impacts the aesthetic of the page, but can also influence your mood and productivity. Choose from either a range of preset color themes or create your own to perfectly complement your chosen background. Remember, the aim of customizing your Chrome homepage is to enhance your browsing experience by making it as efficient and enjoyable as possible. Whether it's by choosing a calming background or organizing your shortcuts for quick navigation, you have full control over these elements to cater to your preferences. Taking a few minutes to personalize your Chrome homepage can transform it from a bland and generic one into a space that's inviting and uniquely yours. Now, you're all set to explore what works best for you and make your browsing experience truly personal. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.